Second Velux is going in there to match that one. There'll be a wall here, so you won't see that Velux. That one goes right down through the stairwell into the hallway. These are the Velux windows now. They've arrived. They're actually bigger than I thought they would be. They're pretty massive. So we've got two here, 1, 2 that are both the same. MK06, that's the specification of this. That dictates the size of this. So 780mm by 1180mm. Don't know what that means. But it does correspond over here. MK06. This is the flashing kit. So this little thinner box here is the bit that goes around this window and ties into the tiles and makes sure that no water actually gets in through the window here. These things are really quite heavy. It's 45 kilos. That was only 6, that's fine, but there are 2 of them. Hence why we've brought them in the house, because what we're going to do is go up the stairs, all the way up and along, and up through that loft hatch there, via the ladder, which is safer and easier than carrying them up outside or by roping them up as well. So, yeah, we've got these coming in soon. Going to be installing them very shortly.
Yeah.
When buying Velux Windows, just make sure you've got a Torx bit, because they don't give you one and you need them to install them. So have some Torx bits handy.
The fast forwarding part is because it's pretty self-explanatory. You get 4 brackets, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. You literally cannot get these things wrong. They are so confidence inspiring because they're all the same front and back, and you stick it in and you put the screws in. And then honestly, everything about these Velux windows is nice. They're expensive, but they're so well made and put together. You've got really clear instructions on how to install things, very good vents, very good handles, very solid and secure. So they're actually really enjoyable to fit and install.
Take your hands up. Hold the top. Yeah? I don't know, I can't see.
Oh, that.
Yeah? Good? Everything alright? Lift one up. Lift it up. Up. Oh, right. That's it. Yeah? Sure? Have a look at the up. It's as long as they're equal. No, we'll go this way. Same up, yeah?
Yeah, come over.
Okay. No, it's just your bottom. Yeah. Your bottom that way. You have to roll the whole thing, you can't push that. Well, that's it then. That's it as is then. Not yet, not yet. Ready? Yeah. Yeah.
Can we give it a go?
Wait.
Oh, you got to screw it in, yeah.
Screw it in.
Yeah.
No. Close that top. Close it. Yeah. Close it.
Yeah.
And lift this up.
Oh, they do both. Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was just the top hung, but it's both.
No, you've got both. Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
You've got two handles. Bottom and top. Very nice. You've got to bring your ID in well. And now we can open.
Perfect.
And you can wash.
Ah ha ha ha. So you can wash the window from the inside. That's brilliant.
Yeah.
I didn't realise you could do both.
You have to open all the way up until click.
Until it clicks. Yeah. Fine.
That's it, done. Beautiful windows.
Brilliant.
Love it.
We have 3 new Velux windows in. 1, 2, and then the little third one there. We haven't put the flashing kits in yet. They need to go in tomorrow. But it's the end of the day now. It's about to start hammering down with rain again. Yeah, there it comes. Really, really pleased we went for this tin hat now. Yesterday and today and tomorrow are going to be miserable. That gap there that you can see on the sides, that's fine. It's the same on these two, and that one we've got the flashing kit to go around, which will cover all of that, and then tiles on top. So all of that you'll see in the next video. But I'm super pleased with these. So these are really, really good. If you can afford the extra expense of them, going for top hung is worth it in my opinion. You've got a little air vent there. You can also half latch that, so you can have breathable but still waterproof. They're just really, really good. Not cheap, and they are heavy, so it is a 2 or a 3 man job, but it's just fantastic. This one here is likely never going to be opened, to be honest. It's going to be above a stairwell, so it's going to be very difficult to reach. But the idea is to let light in, not air in. Worst case scenario, we get a hook and we can pull it down. But I am really, really chuffed with that. So another good day. More progress being made.